Welcome back to DigiTech Dynamo. In today's video, we are going to build a simple GPS tracking system using an Arduino, a GPS module, and an LCD display. This project will display real-time latitude and longitude on the LCD screen. Perfect for tracking and navigation projects. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need for this project: an Arduino Uno, a GPS module, a 16x2 LCD display, jumper wires, and a breadboard. We'll connect these components to display live GPS data on the screen. The wiring is straightforward. We connect the GPS module to the hardware serial pins of the Arduino, pins 0 and 1. For the LCD display, we connect it to pins 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now let's take a look at the code. First, we include the necessary libraries for the LCD display and define the pins for both the GPS and LCD. We initialize the GPS module at a baud rate of 9600 and start reading the incoming GPS data. Whenever we receive valid GPS data, such as latitude and longitude, we display it on the LCD. In our process GPS data function, we extract the latitude and longitude and display it on the screen, as well as print it to the serial monitor for debugging purposes. With everything connected, upload the code to your Arduino. As you can see, the LCD displays the real-time latitude and longitude as it receives data from the GPS module. This information can be used in various GPS-based projects like navigation, vehicle tracking, and geofencing. And that's how you can build a simple GPS tracking system with Arduino and an LCD display. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to DigiTech Dynamo for more exciting projects. Drop any questions or feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching.